Hey, what's going on out there, YouTube? Once again, God is good all the time. Without God, I'll be nothing. And I just want to let y'all know, before I show this truck off that is up for purchase, one thing about me is it's God over money. And another thing I want y'all to know about me, pride comes before destruction. So don't never let your pride get in your way and let you think you making everything happen for you. You gotta remember, God provides all this. But this the '08 Avalanche LS on 28s. Runs and drives good. Brand new tires. It is the LS model. And also, these lights is going to be smoked out black. So that's going to be different. Like I say, inside cloth seats, OnStar, adjustable pedals. I mean, interior's good. No rips, no tears. No nothing. Motor's good. No ticking, no knocking. Underneath the hood, good. Brand new water pump. Fresh tune-up. No leaking, no knocking, no ticking. Brand new AC Delco battery. 5.3 liter. Like I say, nice truck. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for looking. See you soon.